Welcome to this guided meditation. In this moment, I invite you to let go of all distractions, connect with your inner self, and open your heart to peace, clarity, and manifestation. Find a quiet and comfortable space, and when you are ready, let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath through your nose. Hold it gently. Hold it. And now exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, pure energy, and exhale, releasing any tension or stress you have been holding on to. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Allow yourself to become completely relaxed. Notice how your shoulder softens, your jaw loosens, and your forehead smoothens. Consider yourself that you are safe, you are calm, and you are at peace. Now bring your attention to your heart. Visualize a warm, golden light glowing in the center of your chest. With each breath, feel this light expanding, growing brighter and larger, filling your entire body with warmth and love. This is your inner light, your source of power and peace. Know that this light is always within you, guiding you and connecting you to the infinite possibilities of the universe. Now imagine your deepest desires or goal. See it clearly in your mind's eye, as if it's already yours. If it's a new job, picture yourself working joyfully in your ideal role. If it's love, feel the warmth of a loving relationship surrounding you. If it is health, imagine yourself vibrant, strong, and full of energy. Allow yourself to feel the emotions of having achieved this dream. Gratitude, joy, peace. Feel these emotions deeply, as if they are happening right now. Remember, the more you feel, the closer you align yourself with your manifestation. Now, please repeat these affirmations silently or out loud after me. I am worthy of all the good things in life. I trust the process of the universe. I know that everything is unfolding perfectly. My dreams are manifesting with ease and grace. I am grateful for all that I have and all that is yet to come. Let these words sink into your subconscious mind, planting seeds of positivity and confidence. Now, take a moment. Take a moment now to feel gratitude in your heart. Thank the universe. Thank yourself. And thank this moment for the gift of connection and clarity. Gratitude is a magnet for abundance, and as you carry this feeling with you, you invite more blessings into your life. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a deep breath in and slowly open your eyes. What did you have in the dinner last night? Please put it on a comment box and let me know. Are you feeling refreshed, inspired, and ready to embrace your day? If it is yes, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video with somebody who needs it. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.